Today we're going to be making this fantastic, one of my favorite pieces of meat to eat, pork tenderloin. It's delicious, very inexpensive, and you really get the best out of the pork from this cut. What I'm going to do now is actually get them out of the package, and I'm going to marinate them. When you marinate them, let them marinate at least for, I would say, at least a good 2 hours. Let the meat absorb all the spices, all the seasoning, because once you cook it later on, it's going to be tender, it's going to be juicy, and it's going to be full of flavor. I like my garlic a lot, so I'm still going to put some a couple of cloves of garlic, some adobo, a little bit of red vinegar, and some salt to taste. Add some salt, some vinegar. Gives it a nice flavor, a nice taste, and it also helps to blend in and seal the flavor, the seasonings and all that. Some adobo for flavor, and I already put black pepper, and just I'm gonna mash this up a little bit, and then I'm just gonna add them. And now I have added garlic, and you're gonna mix them all up. Want to make sure you get all the flavors in here. Let's see, I'm just trying to make sure I have the best angle here. I don't know about you guys, but let me tell you, making cooking videos, it's not easy. Has any one of you ever tried before? Let me know if you have any tips, because the reality is that it's not that simple. Okay, so now I'm just poking some holes, and you may ask, why are you poking the holes? It's so the flavor could go inside the meat. I'm telling you, you do this and then you set this aside for a couple hours. I'm probably going to set it up for like 3 hours, to be honest, before I start cooking. So that's it. Let's get this done. While we wait for the meat to marinate, this is not part of the recipe, but might as well. You got to do something, right? So how about we enjoy a glass of wine? Cheers. For the mashed potato, we're going to need some yellow potatoes. While everything else is cooking, we're going to take our carrots, we're going to give them a quick wash, we're going to peel them, and then we're going to chop them up so we can add them to the pork tenderloin. If you can only smell how amazing this smells, you get all the flavors, all the seasoning, everything that all the ingredients that we added to the pork loin. It's actually, you can actually smell them. It's amazing. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat it. Delicious. Now that the pork tenderloin has been nicely cooked, we're going to start with cutting it. Make sure you let it rest at least for a good, I would say, I mean, this is still pretty hot, but I would say at least a good 10 minutes or so. Just do this and just start cutting this. Still hot, but this is gonna be delicious once you start plating this. As you can see, there's no fat, it's very lean. It's pretty much the best part of the pork, and delicious. And this is how I like to plate it. You want to put your roasted carrots around, you want to put your meat in the middle, and just to add a little touch of sophistication, you could just add a little parsley, whatever greenery herbs you actually like, but this is your final product. Now to plate this, I'm just putting some mashed potato on the plate, and you're going to take a few pieces of the pork, place them like that in the middle. Don't forget to add some carrots. Want to make sure you have some carrots here. Add some veggies. They taste delicious when they're roasted. And to add the very final touch, you may want to add a little bit of juice, a little bit of that gravy that comes out of the plate. And that's it. This is how we're doing one of our favorite dishes in the house. A great winter warmer. Takes a little long to make, but it's not tons of work, I would say. And as you can see, this is only 4 ingredients, really. You got, well, no, actually 3 potatoes, the pork loin, and carrots. And the rest of it is really condiments that you probably already have in your house. Delicious. The meat is super tender, very juicy. The mashed potatoes is so creamy, and the carrots are so roasted. Delicious. Highly recommend it. So go ahead, give it a go, give it a like. Let me know if you like this recipe or if there's anything else that you would like me to make, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Bye.